Welcome to COVO Residential, and I'm going to take you through our May progress. As you can see, this is the third floor, and what you're doing is the column fixing. And once you're done, we're going to do the formwork, and in the next 2 weeks, we're going to be casting the slab. You're currently on the second floor, and you've done the cable trays, and it's complete. Also, the wiring is also complete. So what's remaining is plumbing on this floor and the gypsum. Then tiling will come later on. And right now we're on the first floor, and the plumbing works are proceeding. We're installing the PPR pipes to supply water to the shops. And alongside, the cable trays is also proceeding for the high voltage, the first level. The wiring is also done. It's 100% complete on the first floor level as well.